Welcome to Positive Atheism English channel. Today I am going to present you the book Thoughts of Periyar compiled by Dr. K. Veeramani. Thanthai Periyar on Astrology. Astrology is closely connected with the casting and reading of horoscope, determining good and bad times and reading the future. Jyotisha is supposed to read the past, present and future. A rationalist who carefully scrutinizes astrology will notice that it is largely connected with religion. This is because astrology is based as much on superstition as religion itself. The stars and planets and the Thithis are good days taken into account in astrology, have all legends attached to them similar to the ones in the Hindu Puranas. The characteristics attached to some planets and stars are seen to have been drawn from the fantasies of the Puranas. Connection with Atma. While one religion attaches imaginary characteristics to the stars, planets and days, another has none of it. Further, like the Hindu religion, astrology is interconnected with Atma, past birth, karma, fate, sin and virtue. All this is no more than speculation. Some religions do not accept astrology. Indeed, some religionists regard astrology akin to atheism. So far, no scientist has accepted the truths or imaginations of Jyotisha, and it's come nowhere near science. Even palmistry, or the art of telling the character from facial expression, or the body cut, augury, or the art of omen have all not been accepted by science. Why science neglects? If there is really any truth in Jyotisha, and even otherwise if it could do anything good for mankind, the great scientist of the world who discovered the radio, the telephone and the atom would not have left astrology severely alone. People who have discovered and measured the life springs in plant life, flew high into space or bored into the earth for hundreds of miles would have taken the help of astrology if there was any truth in it. Governments that have established mammoth research laboratories for various faculties would certainly have sought to improve the lot of mankind if there was anything to be gained by setting up a research establishment for astrology. The absolutely total neglect accorded to astrology by science is an important matter to take into account. Fear of unpopularity. To add to this, various superstition engendered by religion, should astrology with its speculative superstition be permitted to complicate the inner existence of mankind? In expounding my views on astrology, it is possible I have erred wholly or partly. It may be I am not fitted to express an opinion on such an ancient art that has attracted mankind's interest for millenniums. But people who know the truth about Jyotisha are not ready to come forward to publicly denounce it for fear of becoming unpopular. A denunciation, therefore, from a layman may at least, I hope, call for a defense of the art of astrology, and that way I will have raised a useful discussion on this controversial subject. Thank you.
Please download Samaram multi-channel app and watch your favorite channels from your mobile. App available on Google Play Store and subscribe to the channels. For more videos, please subscribe to this channel Positive Atheism and activate the bell icon.